Hey everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing our 2021 advent calendar and I'm so excited to show you guys everything. Yeah, let's just dive right on to it. So each day is packaged in an individual envelope and it has like which day we're going to start with. We're going to start with day 1 and go down the line, and then they have some little like cute little graphics on there. So let's start with day number 1. Okay, so day number 1, we have our first weekly kit. Now you did have the option to choose from standard vertical or standard tall, but our first kit is called Dream. I love it so much. It's such a fun like staying in type kit or girls weekend or something like that. It's got some very fun colors. Here your your quarter boxes and half boxes sheet. You got your bottom washi sheet and then your functional page. So we did do all tiny kits for our advent calendars, but I just love this kit. So that is day number 1. Day number 2. So day number 2, we have 2 items in here. We have these foiled icons. So you could have got them in either rose gold or gold, and they have just one of each icon here. A lot of these we don't even have in the shop right now. I think this whole page we don't have sheets for in the shop at the moment, so that's really exciting. And then you get some scripts. So these are on our removable map paper. You have 2 different font styles, and you just have like some like me times things. So the theme for this advent is actually self-love. So I tried to go with some things that would be more like me time, doing things that you like, spending time with yourself, like doing personal things. That's kind of what I was kind of going towards. So we have like lazy day, manicure, nails, face mask, walk, coffee run, browse, bath time, podcast, write, massage, relaxing time. And then we have pedicure, me time, read, nap, plan, tea time, yoga, meditate, breathe, wine time, relax, craft, and bake. So just a bunch of different scripts there for you. That's day number 2. Day number 3. So here we have our foil bundle for this day. We have it in gold foil and it's our bow foil bundle. The foil bundles are only going to come in 2 pages per bundle because we do have the icons already included in the advent. I didn't think it was necessary to include the 3rd page again. So we do have these full boxes, and then you have 2 different styles of header overlays and then 2 strips of 15mm bottom washi. I think it is so cute. So that's day number 3. Day number 4 is another tiny kit. This kit is called Coffee Shop. I think it's so stunning. I'm obsessed with this full box seam. You have your quarter boxes and half boxes sheet. This bottom washi is my absolute favorite. It's got like the grid pattern. You have your date covers and then your functional page. So this kit is day number 4. Day number 5. So we have some super fun new things. These are going to be coming to the shop in January along with a lot of other things, which I'll talk about at the end. But we have these awesome new flat lays. This one is called Reading and it's got a bunch of different colors. And then we have these super cute planner carts in 3 different colors. I just think they are adorable and I love them so much. So these are the 2 new functionals for day number 5. Moving on to day number 6, this is my absolute favorite item in the kit. I'm so excited to show you this one to you. So let's just open it up. For day number 6, we got this new notepad, which I'm so excited about. I totally want to be bringing notepads to the shop. I don't know if I've already brought them back by the time you're seeing this video. However, they are adorable. So this one has 25 sheets in this notepad. You got the white cardstock at the back, and they're not sticky. They're just able to tear off and remove it. But it has this week at the top. You can put which week it is. You have your goal for the week, and then you have a day section for each day of the week, Monday to Sunday, and then next week. One of the things that really bothers me with notepads is when they combine the weekend together, so I wanted to make sure it was separate. And then you have some habit trackers at the bottom. So this is great for like putting on your work desk or your planner desk to mark like pre-planning, that kind of thing. And I just think it's so, so fun. So that is day number 6. Time for day number 7. Day number 7, we get some more scripts, but these are actually going to be quotes. So these are just like positive quotes that you can add to your planner. We have soak your troubles away, dare to be different, find joy in every new day, created to create, every day is a fresh start, positive vibes only, and a bunch more. So these are just some fun positive quotes. And then you do have another set of foiled icons. So you could either get this in gold or rose gold, but these are different than the first set. You have different icons on here. So very, very, very fun for day number 7. Day number 8, we have another tiny kit, and this one's called Inspired. I love the purples. I love the artistic theme of it. Definitely like a self-love type of kit. You have your quarter boxes and half box sheet. This bottom washi is my fave. And then we have some functional page. So that is Inspired for day number 8. Day number 9, we have our second foil bundle, and this one is called Floral. I just think it's so fun. It's in rose gold. So you have your different full boxes here. You have 9 of them, and then you have your header overlays, and then you have your bottom washi 2 strips there. So fun. Okay, we're almost done. Day number 10. Here we have 2 new flat lays. Again, we have our meal prep, and then the bottom section is just a different color if you care about that. And then the baking one, which is so awesome. I always think baking is such a good like me time personal type thing for myself, so I wanted to include those. Moving on to day number 11. Day number 11, we have our last weekly kit, and this one is called Spa Day. I think it's so fun. I love the pastel colors in this kit. So here are the full boxes, the quarter box and half box sheet, this bottom washi and date covers, and then your functional page. And that kit is for day number 11. All right, so the last day in our advent calendar is day number 12. And this one has 2 fun new functionals. You have the self-care sheet with a bunch of icons. If you'll notice, they are all the ones that were on the advent calendar. They are just so fun, and you get some bath bombs at the bottom. And then we have our new planning flat lay, which I just think are adorable. Anyways, I hope you guys loved this advent calendar as much as I enjoyed creating it. This one was so fun for me. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please let me know how much you liked it, what your favorite thing was in it, and if you didn't get it, let me know in the comments down below what you are excited for me to bring to the shop, because a lot of these are going to be coming in January. So let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!